The power cord passes through the cord protector as it goes into the tool's handle. The cord protector gives extra support to the cord, preventing it from kinking and rubbing against the handle. The cord protector is made of rubber and will eventually harden and crack. Once it does, the cord can tend to kink near the handle. This can lead to broken wires. Left unprotected, the cord can also rub against the handle housings, eventually rubbing through the insulation, leaving bare wires. Replacing the cord protector is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the top half of the rear handle. Now I can remove the cord. First, I'll remove the cord clamp. Then the screw that secures the switch. I'll remove the 2 cord wires. I'll move the black wire around until I can access its release on the side of the connection. I'll use a small wire, or in this case a small Allen wrench, to release the black wire. Now I'll remove the cord protector from the cord. Now I can install the new cord protector. I'll thread the wires through it and over the insulation on the cord. Now I can install the wires back into the switch. First the black wire, and then the white. I'll realign this switch with the housing. And secure it with the screw. I'll align the cord protector with the housing and secure the cord with the cord clamp. And I'll tuck the cord wires back into the tabs on the housing. Now reinstall the top half of the handle and secure it with the screws. And that's all it takes to install a new cord protector on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.